Hi guys, today I want to share about this GREE split unit aircon. So now I'm waiting the installer to install this split unit. So let's look around the aircon box. Okay, GREE. Okay, this is GREE 11 kg, the indoor unit. The gas is refrigeration is 410A. Okay, white color, model GWC 09QB. Okay, outdoor GWC 9QB, also same. The outdoor is K3NA1F /O. This means for outdoor lah. This is for outdoor. Okay, and this is the outdoor unit one. Okay, this is the indoor one. So the indoor is model is this GWC 09QB. Okay, K3NB4F. Speed aircon wall mounted mode. Indoor unit. Okay, indoor unit. And this is the outdoor unit. Okay, this is the outdoor unit. Okay, this is the outdoor unit. This is the model. Okay, gray. The outdoor unit. The compressor lah. The compressor. Okay guys. So far it's like this. Okay. Thank you for watching. This indoor unit, split unit, already finished install, already test. So testing 22 Celsius. Okay. Indoor good. Indoor unit. Okay. 1 horsepower, 900 BTU. Okay. And this the outdoor unit compressor. So